Hello guys, welcome back to SOP Academy. So we have two new updates. The first one is from Accenture and the second one is from Wipro Elite National Talent Hunt exam, which was held in the month of December and January. So first let us discuss the update from Accenture. So on 8th of July, Accenture had to release the results for the phase 2 hiring, but the results were delayed and today people have started receiving this mail which says, "Dear candidate, hope this email finds you well. Thank you for participating in our recruitment process. This is regards to your candidature for the role of Associate Software Engineer. We understand that you have been waiting to know the status of your candidature. We are in the process of evaluating your candidature and will share the results with you by 19th of July. So they are still evaluating your results. So they are still evaluating the results and you will get your results by 19th of July. That does not mean that your results will be published on 19th of July only. It can be published before also. So please wait patiently. Let us discuss the second update. So as we all know that Wipro Elite National Talent Hunt was held in the month of January. So some of the candidates were getting this mail of rejection where it said that we regret to inform you that based on the Wipro selection criteria, you did not qualify as one of the top performers in the online assessment and hence we will not be able to take your candidature ahead as of now. So they had specifically written this point that as of now, that means right now they cannot accept you in their candidature, but maybe in the future if there is any business need, it is written here. However, in future if you have any business requirement which will suit your profile, we will reach out to you. So they have started reaching out to you, all the people that have performed well but did not qualify last time. So they have also started receiving the mail for hiring verification of interest. This is the survey application that people have started receiving from today noon only. So it says, "Dear candidate, greeting from Wipro. Hope you and your family is safe amidst the prevailing COVID-19 pandemic situation. Thank you for participating in Elite National Talent Hunt. We are pleased to inform you that you have been shortlisted to attend the technical interview. Request you to confirm us on your interest in attending the interview and pursuing an opportunity under Wipro's Elite National Talent Hunt. Your candidature will be processed ahead based on your online response." So this is the verification form or the survey form they have given. You will click on the here button here, then you will go to the next page, then you will fill out the form of interest, and then your technical interview will be held. So the last date to fill out this survey form is 13th of July till 5 p.m. So some of the people are still getting this email. So if you're interested, you can fill out the survey form, and that is all for today. So thank you very much.